Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating our entryway and stairs. We live in a bi-level or split level home that was built probably in the 1970s. We've lived here for, this will be our second year that we've lived here. We moved in right before Christmas in 2021, shortly after my daughter Lucia was born. The first year, because we only were in this house like a week before Christmas, we didn't even decorate. I think the previous owners left us like this huge palm tree. I kind of like decorated that because my husband was like, no, we are not going to get a tree. Next year we'll get a tree. So last year was our first year of decorating. I have a lot of stuff from over the years. You know, my first condo I bought in my 20s. I was living in Jersey City, so I had a certain decor at that time. Then when we got married, we moved to Plainfield, New Jersey, which we were living in an old colonial. It was about 100 years old. We were living there for a good like five or 6 years. And you know, so that decor was very like traditional. And now we're in, you know, this 1970s, like it almost looks like a log cabin where we live. I've got like original wood shingles on the outside of our house. We live in a really rural part of almost in the mountains in New Jersey on the west side going toward Pennsylvania. So I'm having a little hard time figuring out my style here. I'm trying to use a lot of our decor that we've used in the past and not buy too much stuff because I have a bad habit of doing that, and the goal is to save money here, right? So anyway, like I said, in today's video I'm going to be decorating the entryway and hanging some garland in our stockings. We don't have a fireplace, which makes me so sad because in our old colonial we had a working wood burning fireplace. This house does not have one, and we keep talking about maybe installing one of the electric ones into the wall, and we haven't just got around to it yet. So we will be hanging our stockings on the stairway. I don't know if anyone else does this, or if anyone else without a fireplace, if they have a better idea. Our entertainment center is, because our TV is so large, our entertainment center I guess would be another good option, but for now, I don't know. We'll see if you like it and let me know in the comments when you're done watching. Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Lauren. I'm a full-time working mom who likes to save money. We love to travel to places. We love to go to Disney. I have a little 2-year-old daughter named Lucia. I also have a stepdaughter, Jules, who is almost 17 now, if you can believe it. So yeah, if that's kind of content you think you're into, I would love it if you'd stick around. Now let's hit the thumbs up button and let's just jump right in. So I wanted to get the vacuum out and get that going, but unfortunately my daughter Lucia is taking a nap and I do not want to interrupt her nap time. If you know, you know, right? If you're a toddler mom, we do not interrupt naps. I had to do one yesterday because she had to go get blood work. We're not doing that today. We're gonna let her sleep and get her nap in. So I don't think it's such a bad idea. I'm just gonna dust a little bit, and when she wakes up, then I'll run the vacuum. And hopefully by then my garland will be up. And I know that garland kind of makes a mess anyway. So this way I can, you know, just do it in one shot. But I do want to start off by dusting because this dog hair and dust is like accumulating like crazy.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again.
Alright, the toddler just woke up, so let's see how long this takes. Hopefully I don't have to go into day 2 of doing this. I've also realized, I think before in the past I just wrapped around the garland, but I think I read somewhere that to use a command hook. Now I don't know if a command hook is going to work on a wrought iron railing, but let's check. Let's try. This is my toddler. This is Lucia, or Lucia. So guess who didn't get much further after I said, oh look, my daughter woke up, let me try to see, hopefully it doesn't carry into day 2. Well, newsflash, it carried into not only day 2. I started filming this on Saturday. It is now Wednesday, and I'm finally finishing up because I like to get my vlogs out on Mondays and Thursdays, which I haven't been very good at doing lately, so I want to try to be better at that. Yeah, so tomorrow's Thursday, so I just came from work. I'm totally tired. I have barely no makeup on, so excuse my face, but I want to just get this finished up because I don't have that much left to do here. I just have to hang some of the ornament balls. I'm going to take off the ones from last year, replace it with the new ones, and then hang the stockings, and then I think we're going to call it a night.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts a
ornaments like sporadically throughout here. Okay, don't mind this mess in the middle there. Over the weekend when Jose's not working, so I'm gonna ask him to maybe get the zip ties. That's another great tip for hanging out garland. We actually did the zip ties last year, but I didn't know where they were, so that's why we have this monstrosity here. But like I said, I want to get this video up, so we're gonna leave it for now. And this whole section, the light burned out, so I had to like kind of like drape the garland over, or the lights over the garland. But this is where I plan to put the stockings, so I'm going to not put so many of the balls on there. And then, so let me take care of that now. Oh, I picked these up at Walmart. I went with Lucia on Sunday, and when I realized I bought these ornaments from Hobby Lobby this year to like replace it, because I know we didn't have enough ornaments from last year and they were falling off, and I'm sure the dog ate some of them. So anyway, I bought some balls at Hobby Lobby, which I might have shown in my Hobby Lobby video. I could link it down below. But anyway, when I opened the package on Sunday, I realized that these did not come with like hooks for whatever reason. So that's why there's a delay in the vlog, and why I'm just filming on Wednesday when this was all supposed to be done Sunday, because we had to make a Walmart trip. So I saw these hooks, and I'm gonna see if they're okay to hang the stockings on. They might be a little bit too heavy for it, so let's try it out. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. So these Christmas stockings, my mom actually made me mine. You know, I'm the oldest in our family. So my mom made me mine, and then she made both of my sisters like matching ones. So when Jose and I got married, and then when we had Jules and Scarlett, well, we didn't have Jules, but you know, when we got married, we have Jules, and then when we had Scarlett, I had my mom make everyone like matching Christmas stockings, and of course Lucy had to get one too. So mine is the oldest, obviously theirs is more like uniform, but they're super cool. It's a pattern, maybe, I don't know if it was like a butter egg pattern. I'll have to ask her and then link it down below in the comments. But you don't really find like stockings like this nowadays. They're usually like those long skinny ones, so I like how like big they are. They can fit more Christmas loot in there. Anyway, so I think this is gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully the next time I show this, it's more put together. But thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you made it this far, I'm sure you're enjoying this kind of content, and I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the bell so you could be notified for all future content. There's going to be a lot of Christmas videos coming your way this month, as well as hopefully Disney videos. So I'd love it if you'd stick around and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.